In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your website using Wix Studio. This process will enhance your visitors' experience by allowing them to easily locate your business or any important locations you want to showcase. Let's walk through these simple steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Wix Studio. This web platform is fully equipped to serve agencies and enterprises with all their website building needs. Once you're there, take a look at the upper corner of the web page and click on the Login button. You'll typically find this in the top right, a familiar spot if you've accessed online accounts before. After that, select Continue with Google. Now, logging in with Google is a quick and secure method to access your Wix Studio account without the hassle of remembering yet another password. If you don't already have a Wix account linked to your Google account, you might need to walk through a quick setup. With your account access squared away, your next move is to click on the plus icon within the Wix Studio dashboard. This action is your gateway to adding various elements to your website. A drop-down or side menu should appear, presenting you with a range of options. From this menu, choose Contact and Forms. Why this category is particularly relevant because we're about to integrate a map, which is all about offering essential contact and location details to your audience. Once you're in the Contact and Forms section, look for and click on Maps. This option integrates Google Maps directly onto your site, making it convenient for visitors to see where your business, event, or any specified location is. Clicking Maps is a decisive step that prepares your site for a more interactive and viewer-friendly experience. Now it's time to manage the specifics of your map by selecting Manage Locations. This feature allows you to customize your map locations according to your business needs or personal preferences. You'll have a concentrated area to detail exactly which locations should be displayed. After you've selected that, the final steps include editing your location details. Update the address to reflect the most accurate location by clicking on the Edit Address option. This ensures that anyone looking for your location will find the correct spot. Don't forget to also edit the title to something that effectively communicates the purpose or name of the location. To give your map markers even more context, add a descriptive blurb via Add Description. This could be a brief note about what users can expect at the location, or perhaps special instructions for visitors. As an additional customization option, you can include a clickable link. The Add a Link option allows your viewers to, for instance, navigate back to your main website or be directed to further information relevant to the map marker. And there you have it, you've successfully added Google Maps to your Wix website. This feature should not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also provide valuable functionality to your audience, guiding them right to where they need to be. Happy mapping!